you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check
Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. We're in Oklahoma right now, specifically Chickasaw, Oklahoma. And you already know that myself, Dr. Ross, I'm going to be on to a photo shoot, and I'm going to be on set for a job tomorrow, but you guys will stay tuned for that on our Instagram. IK is currently doing a photo shoot out here too, so he's not here to do this. So let's get into a few of these hot topics.
I remember when I lost my mind.
The lake, enjoy the nature. So let's get into these hot topics. For our first hot topic, we do want to talk about the Billboard Awards because apparently nobody decided to watch it. Not even IK and I. Well, we watched it afterwards, but no one really wanted to watch it because nobody was really promoting it as much. And we heard that there was a little bit of mess ups. Let's start in the first mess up, which Lil Nash. So Lil Nash, you can do your performance, you know, you can be an artist, you can do what you want, but it's giving me the same energy that Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion were giving at the Grammys, and you know, it's really not appropriate to do the things that you were doing. You can be whatever type of, you know, how do you want to be influenced, but when you go into the performance on the stage, there's kids watching these type of award shows, and I don't know if they want to see all of that and all the overly sexualized performances. Let's go into our next hot topic with Alicia Keys. A lot of people were mad because she was performing and she did really well.
Keep on falling in, and a real woman knows a real man ain't afraid to please her.
And you could see the braids and the sew-in because she didn't sew in her wig correctly. They need whoever did your hair needs to be fired. You need to hire somebody better who can, you know, make you look professional when you're going to get your performances. Maybe pay them a little bit more. Maybe you weren't paying them, you were in a rush. Who knows? But next time, be prepared for the performance because we know you are. Alicia Keys. Let's get into our next one. Drake won an award for the Billboards. He decided to bring out his son, which was really surprising to a lot of people because we all know that Drake, he didn't even want to recognize that he had a son at the beginning. He wanted to pretend like his son was not. He didn't have a son, but you know, the baby mama, she kept forcing it, she kept pushing through, and now we know Drake has a son. You know, it's an adult event. I don't know why they're bringing all their kids and their little ones, but speaking of kids, Pink also brought her child, Willow. She brought her daughter on there with the blue hair. They did a performance together. It was really nice, but for everyone else, if you're not doing a performance with your kid, don't bring your kid there because it's an adult. It's supposed to be an event where you go there, you accept your award, you be very professional about it, and then you go home and you tell your kids about it. Pink actually went up to Bon Jovi, who she won an award from, and she told him that she deserved to get an award from him because she had his picture on her wall every single day, and it motivated her to become Pink, and when he got married, it broke her heart. So she made some jokes up there, and that was actually a good thing. And for our last thing for the Billboard Awards, I do want to mention The Weeknd. So The Weeknd was complaining all night long. We all know The Weeknd was complaining because he said the Grammys were rigged and that he didn't win any awards because he felt like he worked harder than some other artists, and it was unfair. So the Billboard Awards, he won 10 awards, and we want to say congratulations to The Weeknd. To our last and final hot topic, actually for everyone for the Billboard Awards, IK and I are available, we're ready, and let's make music together. But on to our last and final hot topic, we're going to go ahead and mention Arod because something's speaking in the waters, and people are saying that Arod has a new girlfriend. So we don't know if he's just trying to do this as a rebound or if he's actually stuck over Jennifer Lopez, but he came out and recently said he's hurt and he's in pain and he's aching. But, you know, does J-Lo really care? No. Obviously she doesn't because she hasn't responded. She's still running around with drunk Ben Affleck. So, A-Rod, you need to man up and you need to stop moping around because you trying to guilt trip her into making her feel, I don't know, a pity for you being sad. She's not going to care. So just move on with your life. These were all of our hot topics. We will keep you guys updated on the things that IK and I are doing on set and what we're going to be doing in Oklahoma, but stay tuned for our Instagram on roseandgold.us. We're out. Enjoy the nature.